Hi all, today we will start an API testing playlist which contains multiple videos. Let's check what are things we are going to cover in this playlist. First one is what is API. In this we will see definition of API and what is its purpose. Second one is how overall client server architecture works with the help of API. Then we will see what are different types of API such as REST, SOAP. Next one is what is structure of API. Then we will see what are different types of command in an API such as put, post, patch, delete. Then what are different types of status code for response and its meaning. Then we will see which tools are available in the market for API testing. Then we will see how to check all API requests sent by web page while browsing. And last one is API automation using Postman.